Nestled on an oversized, approximately one-third acre lot in South Novato's Loma Verde neighborhood, 320 Alameda De La Loma is a beautifully livable, single-level home offering privacy, comfort, and room to breathe. With 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and approximately 1,699 square feet, the home features a spacious living room, a large, separate dining room with extensive bookshelves, and a bright, airy kitchen with soaring ceilings, skylight, breakfast area, double door slider out to the back porch, and direct access to the garage. The bedrooms are all well sized, and the primary suite includes a generous walk in closet and a step in shower in the bath. The backyard, however, is a standout, offering exceptional privacy, terraced planting areas, fruit trees, and a sense of space that is increasingly hard to find. Whether enjoying a quiet morning outside, gardening, or entertaining, the atmosphere feels both peaceful and inviting. Loma Verde is prized for its South Novato location with close proximity to Loma Verde Elementary School, shopping, dining, convenient Highway 101 access, and the healthcare services available in Novato. Pacheco Plaza is also close at hand, just a quick and easy, flat walk via the neighborhood pathway, adding a meaningful everyday convenience.